26th of February on a Friday. Time now is 3:21 p.m. in Singapore. My name is Dylan and welcome to my daily trading analysis videos. Alright, so today we're going to touch on mainly the few currency pairs that we have went through yesterday. And let's kick off with the Euro against the US dollar. Right here we have the Euro against US dollar in the day one chart, and as mentioned, price has been appreciating within a rising trend channel, and the price right now is rebounding off from the bottom of the rising trend channel. At the same time, from the key support, resistance keys turn support level at the price of 1.0946, which is also the retracement level of 50%. In fact, it is just about 6 pips away before it touches, and then it begins to rebound. So well, anyway, let's zoom in into the 1 hourly chart, and we can see that the price has been kind of a little bit exhausted on the appreciation, and therefore expected it to retrace a little bit lower before it continues its appreciation. So there's a possibility the price may resume depreciation after a little appreciation towards the retracement level of 30.2% at the price of 1.1116, and therefore if you're looking for a buy opportunity, you may want to look for a buy opportunity around the price of 1.1046, right, which is like right now, and towards the price of 1.1116, retracement level 30.2% will be the price to look to take profit. All right, so that's for the euro excuse me, against the US dollar. All right, so next let's have a look at the pound against the US dollar. So into the day one chart, right, we have seen that the price was a little changed, but it has begun to consolidate and retrace upwards before resuming further depreciation. And in the 4 hourly charts, we can see that the price is retracing towards the previous low at the price of 1.4076. I'm talking about the low right here, not over here. So over here it is slightly the level over here is slightly above the retracement level of 23.6%, and therefore we're looking for a sell opportunity as the price retraces to this level. And of course, we are expecting that the pound will continue to depreciate further because of the uncertainty caused by Brexit itself. So that's for the pound against the US dollar. And next, let's take a look at the Aussie against the US dollar. So back to the day one chart, we have seen that the price has gained a little bit over here and seemed pretty exhausted as it touches a resistance level at 0.7239, and therefore it might retrace a little bit further, significantly probably, and before it resume further appreciation towards the key resistance level at 0.7379. So let's zoom in into the 4 hourly charts. Alright, so we've seen that the resistance level at 0.7239 has been pretty strong, and price has been persistently resisted over here. We have magic candles here right now, confirmation is forming, and it gives an opportunity for us to go for sell towards the bottom of a probable rising trend channel. So you may want to go for the sell right here, zooming the 1 hourly charts. Alright, we have seen that, or rather into the 15-minute charts, we have seen that the price has begins to fall, breaks below the support level right here, came out a little bit, and now it's resuming depreciation. So you may want to give a shot for this currency pair towards the bottom of the rising trend channel itself to take profit. That's still about a profit of 70 to 80 pips to be made from. So that is for the Aussie against the US dollar. Next, let's take a look at the New Zealand against the US dollar. So in the day one charts, as we can see, we expected the price to appreciate towards the top of the ascending triangle that we can see right here at the price of 0.6879, and we are now currently seeing that the price is breaking above the major consolidation right here ever since it rebounded off from the bottom of the ascending triangle. So into the 1 hourly chart, we are waiting for the price to retrace, and we are expecting the retracement to be pretty small, since it has begins to the next wave of the appreciation. So looking to buy when the price retraces towards the region right here between the price of 0.6738 and 0.6724. 0.6738 because it was a key resistance previously, so we are expecting to turn into a key support level. Alright, so that's for the New Zealand dollar against US dollar. And next we have the euro against the pound. Alright, so into the week 1 chart, as I've been mentioning for a pretty long time, for the past few weeks in fact, price is appreciating towards the top of a falling trend channel ever since it got rebounded off from the bottom, and the fundamental again also supports the euro to strengthen against the pound, though the Brexit has been bad for both euro and the pound, but it seems that the impact on the pound is much stronger than the euro, and therefore the pound is expected to be weakening against the euro, and therefore euro against the pound is expected to be appreciating, and that's what's happening right now. So into the 1 hourly chart, alright, we are seeing that the price has appreciated, breaks above a key resistance level at 0.7834, and right now it goes into a consolidation, moving sideways. Persistently resisted at the price of 0.7923, expecting the price to retrace again before it resumes appreciation at the price of 0.7843. The previous resistance turned into the support level, at the same time at the retracement level of 38.2%. So that is for the euro against the pound. And last but not least, let's take a look at the dollar against the Swiss franc. So as we can see in the day 1 chart, dollar franc has begun to resume depreciation after significant retracement, as we can see right here, based on previous wave of depreciation. And therefore into the 1 hourly chart itself, the current structure as of now, as we can see, is kind of suggesting that the price may fall further on the dip as it breaks below the key support level right here at the price of 0.9856. In fact, this looks like a neckline of a certain formation, which yep. So we are looking to sell when the price retraces a little bit back to the resistance level at 0.9894, but who want to set our stop loss above the resistance level right here at 0.8946, which is about 60 pips. You added about 30 pips, that will be about 90 pips of stop loss. But of course we are looking at a much higher profit to be made, at least all the way to the previous low right here. That will be 174 pips, so it is still possible to go for this trade with the risk to reward ratio of 1:2. Alright, so that's for the dollar against the Swiss franc, and with that I have come to the end of today's and this week's live trading session, live trading video. And so thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next week.